Hello friends, today we will do back exercise and question answers of chapter number 7, Introduction to Excel. Part A, tick the correct answers. Which of the following is an electronic spreadsheet software? MS Excel. Second, what is the default name given to an Excel workbook? Book 1. Third, which of the following is the smallest unit of a worksheet? Cell. Fourth, which of these indicates an active cell? Cell pointer. Fifth, which key combination moves the cell pointer to the cell A1? CTRL plus home. Fill in the blanks. By default, an Excel workbook contains dash worksheet 1. Second, by default, numbers are dash aligned in a cell right. Third, dash displays the address of the active cell name box. Fourth, dash is the default file extension for an Excel workbook. .xlsx. Fifth, dash is a mathematical equation. Formulas. Part C. Write T for true and F for false. First, MS Excel is a popular spreadsheet software. True. Second, the edit mode indicates the active cell. True. Third, the new button is used to insert a new worksheet. False. Fourth, there are about 1,008,000 rows in a worksheet. False. There are 1,048,576 rows in a worksheet. Fifth, once a sheet is added to a workbook, it cannot be deleted. False. Part D. Answer the following questions. First, what is MS Excel? Answer. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet software used to organize number and data in rows and columns and also to perform mathematical calculations. Second, explain the data types that can be entered in an Excel sheet. First, text. It includes letter from A to Z. Number. It includes numbers from 0 to 9. Formulas. It includes numerical values and operators. Third, describe the formula bar component of an Excel 2016 window. Answer. Formula bar displays the contents of the selected cell, which could be text, number, or formula. It is also used to enter or edit the contents of a cell. Fourth, what is the difference between save and save as commands? Answer. Save as allows us to save our work for the first time, where it asks the name of the file with which it will be saved, whereas save option allows us to update the last saved file with the work. Fifth, differentiate between a workbook and a worksheet. Answer. A worksheet is a single page spreadsheet in Excel where we can type and edit data in a tabular form, whereas a workbook is an Excel file containing one or more worksheets in it. Thank you.